The court fight appears to be winding down, and things could be wrapping up very soon if Ripple continues to score modest triumphs. Will this eventually allow Ripple to win the entire case? Will Ripple be able to achieve fresh all-time highs at that point? We'll be giving away 25 XRP coins to a random subscriber at the end of the month to assist them get started with XRP. To enter the prize, simply like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave your thoughts about XRP in the comments section. In today's video, we'll talk about Ripple's recent big win in the SEC case, as well as the potential imminent price explosion. Let's get started. A federal judge in Manhattan recently declared that a group of people who own digital tokens affiliated with Ripple Labs Incorporated can contribute meaningfully to the Securities and Exchange Commission's case accusing the corporation of securities law violations. The SEC charged the corporation with violating securities laws. According to U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres, the 6 holders of XRP, the world's 7th largest cryptocurrency by market capitalization, can submit their perspectives on significant legal issues in the case, which argues the token is an unregistered security and seeks to have it designated as such. Those who practice cryptocurrency law are keeping a close eye on the case as authorities grapple with how to regulate the asset class. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has initiated litigation against certain digital token issuers for selling unregistered securities, while other assets, like as Bitcoin and Ether, have avoided being classified as such. In March, holders of XRP tokens filed an intervention request, saying that they were de facto defendants in the case and wishing to protect their interests. On Monday, neither John Deaton of the Deaton law firm, who represents XRP holders, nor a representative from the Securities and Exchange Commission responded to a request for comment. Today, it was announced that we had all been awarded amicus status. Deaton expressed his sentiments on Twitter, where Bitcoin enthusiasts applauded the choice. Ripple's founders developed the cryptocurrency XRP in 2012. In December, the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, filed a lawsuit against the San Francisco-based firm and its current and former senior officials, alleging that they had engaged in an unregistered securities sale worth $1.3 billion since the token's inception. XRP has been traded and used as a digital currency since its birth, according to the company. Ripple and its executives have flatly denied the allegations. Holders of XRP, including Deaton's daughter, Jordan, alleged in their motion to intervene in the action that the token had lost $15 billion in value after cryptocurrency exchanges in the US, including Coinbase, delisted or ceased trading in XRP after the SEC sued. Torres denied the XRP holders' request to intervene in the action as a class, arguing that doing so would cause a needless delay in the proceedings. The SEC stated that token holders should not be permitted to act as amici and offer evidence. According to Torres, their legal arguments will be limited to whether or not the action should be dismissed. Also, please share your thoughts on these developments in the comments area. Fortunately, Ripple is still active and bringing in more and more convincing case material. It has filed a letter challenging the SEC's request that it refrain from responding to the company's over 30,000 requests for admission, RFA. Yes or no questions, such as requests for admission, are used to speed up the litigation process since the answers provided can end disputes between parties if all sides agree on the facts. Admission requests are frequently used to speed up the litigation process. The SEC claimed that responding to RFAs was time-consuming because it took more than 100 hours to respond to only 254 requests. Answering a basic yes or no question takes about 24 minutes. Because the responses are made under oath and may be used against them in court, the agency wants to ensure that they are correct. Ripple's legal team pointed out that completing the RFAs exposes the company to the SEC, as demonstrated in this section of the transcript. The RFAs pertain to crucial facts that defendants contend are not truly disputed. True admissions by the SEC will thus considerably narrow the issues for trial. The SEC does not seriously claim that the RFAs are meaningless. Instead, it concentrates almost entirely on the sheer number of RFAs in order to show that they are excessively burdensome. This is a triple blunder. First, a huge number of requests to admit is not enough to justify a protection order under the law. The entire transcript is available online, so be sure to read it. By the way, what are your thoughts on the likelihood of this move's success? Please let us know in the comments section below. In the background of this ruling, a significant triumph for XRP holders, the group of people the SEC pretends to protect, has occurred. The SEC refused XRP holders' motion to intervene in the case on the grounds that there was a risk of an avalanche of claims. After a long period of waiting, the choice was made. While the decision by Judge Annalisa Torres to dismiss the motion may be viewed as a setback for those wanting to block XRP, the decision has been viewed as a success by the cryptocurrency's more than 30,000 holders, who are represented by attorney John Deaton. This is owing to the judge's decision, which granted XRP holders amicus curiae standing. A person who is not a party to a lawsuit but contributes information, knowledge, or insight that has an impact on the problems in the case is awarded the status of friend of the court, which is derived from the Latin word meaning friend of the court. The court rules that movements may serve as amici curiae in this suit in their individual capacities. According to the order, as a result, movements will be able to assist the court by submitting legal issues germane to the case that have been pre-approved by the court. Although it is believed that such assistance will be most valuable during the briefing phase of dispositive motions, the court reserves the discretion to seek or deny additional applications as it sees proper. In response to the verdict, Jeremy Hogan, an XRP community-friendly attorney, said, "I applaud this official finding by the judge, that XRP holders and Ripple have a similar interest because it's a recognition by the judge that a ruling against Ripple is a ruling against all owners of XRP." Mr. Deaton filed his request to intervene in the case in March, but the decision was not made public until October. Meanwhile, he has maintained his prominence in the cryptocurrency community, advising investors on how to navigate the lawsuit and attempting to garner mainstream media attention for what has been dubbed the crypto trial of the century. Through a newly launched blog, which was also used to draw attention to the alleged conflict of interest in the XRP lawsuit. What effect will this have on the XRP price? XRP has been trading above $1 for more than 5 days, with the cryptocurrency valued at $1.06 at the time of publication, reflecting a 13% increase over the previous week. While the growth looks to be adequate, XRP's trend in relation to the overall market may be called sluggish. While the XRP ecosystem has been a volatile one as a result of XRP has earned some much-needed social exposure in the SEC v. Ripple Labs lawsuit when XRPL Labs stated that offline payments may soon be available on XRPL. The Proof of Payments protocol, which the company is creating, was also introduced. This could lead to future retail acceptance. Its effects were felt in the market, as XRP's metrics began to trend exceptionally positively. This, combined with the positive court news, could give XRP a tremendous boost, if not now, then after the matter is fully settled, and XRP should be able to achieve new highs of more than $3. What are your thoughts on the petition? Do you believe it will be Ripple's final victor? Please let us know in the comments. If you want to learn more about XRP, there are 2 more videos on the end screen for you to watch. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Before you go, please keep in mind that cryptocurrency prices change rapidly, so by the time you see this video, it may have changed to a completely different value. The material in this video is not intended to be investment advice, financial advice, trading advice, or any other type of advice. You should not consider any of the content to be so. The information in this video is provided solely for educational purposes and should not be construed as financial advice. Before making any investing decisions, do your homework and consult with a financial expert.